Here's how to have Selenium select a value from a drop-down selector with Python. For this example, the driver will cycle through selections of apple, banana, and cherry. First, create a driver by importing WebDriver from Selenium, and then we need to import select from selenium.webdriver.support.ui. So the first thing we need to do is define our driver and have it go to the URL we want. Next, we need to create a variable that locates the drop-down selector. So I said dropdown equal to select, and in the parentheses put driver.findElement, and then inside those parentheses put the details from my dropdown. For this example, I'm looking for an ID of fruit select. Now there's three ways to pick a selection. The first is select by visible text, which basically means we're picking the text between the two option tags. So for example, I put banana and it's going to pick the selection based on the visible text. Then we can select by the value attribute. So for example, I put apple, which means the first selection of apple will be selected. And then we can also select by index. And for this example, if I select by an index of 2, that means the selection will be cherry. When I run the code, it opens up an automated browser, and every 2 seconds, the selection changes. So right now it's cherry, now it's banana, and then it changes to apple. Like and subscribe for more Python videos.